this video, we'll be showing you how to set some of your custom shortcuts on your machine when you first receive it. To start, we'll need to navigate over to our iCustom menu. To get there, we'll need to select our menu icon, and then down at the bottom of our panel here, we'll see our iCustom option right in the middle. We'll select that, and down on the bottom left hand side of this page, we'll want to click the 6 to 14 just to give us 2 lines of shortcuts to go ahead and program. The first two, the date and the time, we'll leave them exactly as they are. Next, we'll click this option on the top right. This is going to be our photo center. This is a quick way or a shortcut to get everything right back to the center of the hoop. Right next to it would be our frame center option. We click on this, it'll do the exact same thing as our photo center. This one will work if our digitizing isn't exactly centered how it should be. Right next to that, we'll click on our trace option. This will give us a shortcut to our trace, which we will need to run every single time before we press start on the machine, just to make sure nothing gets damaged. Next, on the bottom left hand side, we can click our laser pointer icon. That'll move the machine either over to its laser pointer, or if you're on a 15, it'll turn the laser pointer on or off. Next, we'll select this ABC feature on a line. What that ABC feature will do is it'll allow me to reposition any word, any design, any lettering. We'll be able to move it differently on a shirt or on a hat, just in case I have something hooked crooked, my embroidery will still come out straight. Right next to it, the P icon. This will allow me to flip, rotate, invert designs any which way I prefer to be able to go ahead and embroider properly. Now, for the remaining shortcuts, we'll click on this green arrow down at the bottom, and that'll just take me to my next page of shortcuts that I'm able to set. We'll click the option on the top left. This will be a shortcut over to our USB reading page. Next, we'll click on Next, the sideways bobbin, and this arrow coming out of the design. This one will allow me to set up or select another design while I'm still in the middle of it. This option here would be my bobbin counter, and this would be our safe stitch. For our last two, we can go with the +10 and -10 options to flip forward or backwards 10 stitches at a time.